Hello students. The question says find the set of values of k for which the equation 2x squared plus 3kx plus k equals to 0 has distinct real roots. Now, if we talk about any quadratic equation of the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, so if it has to have the distinct and real roots, that means the value of the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, must be greater than or equal to 0. So if I compare this given equation with the standard quadratic equation, so the value of a that we get is 2, the value of b that we got is 3k, and the value of c that we get is k itself. Now, if we put it into the condition, so b squared, so that means 3k whole square minus 4 into a into c, which is k itself, has to be greater than or equal to 0. So that means 9k squared minus 8k has to be greater than or equal to 0. So that means we can say that 9k squared has to be greater than or equal to 8k. So if we cancel out k from both sides, so the value of k has to be greater than or equal to 8 by 9. And that will be the final answer for the range of values of k. Thank you, students.